bags from Chanel. Super excited to share with you guys today. So if you're interested in seeing what I got from Chanel, then just keep watching. You can definitely get your experience on some of these top brands by going into their boutiques to shop for like just a perfume, maybe some skincare items, you know, lip products, different things. And then that way you get your hands on the product. You get the same exact packaging as you would if you bought a Chanel bag from the Chanel store, and you also get that experience. So hi dolls, it's your girl Teshiamonique back again, and today we are going to be doing a huge unboxing from Chanel that I'm super excited to share with you dolls. And so much so because I have not unboxed my products since I picked them up. I'm super excited because I'll actually get to use my things. So I've got two huge bags here full of goodies from none other than Chanel, which I'm so excited about. So these things that I picked up today are mostly skincare items because I wanted to start my skincare collection from Chanel and to give it a try. I've always wanted Chanel items and I wanted to go ahead and just pick up some things. I actually got these things for Mother's Day. My family, my husband and my sons gifted me. They said, pick out what you want for Mother's Day. And I was like, I've been wanting some more skincare, so let's go to Chanel. And we did. And Houston, the store manager, assisted me. She was super, super nice. And she actually loaded me up with a lot of goodies. And I think that's kind of synonymous for Chanel, is that you go in, that they definitely will load you up with samples and makeup bags and all kind of stuff. So I really want to encourage you dolls to go ahead and get your shop on at this actual Chanel boutique or counter for skincare or for your fragrances, because it's one way to elevate your collection, but also your experience with designer unique brands that you may want to try. Not be ready to do like a handbag or something more pricey. You can definitely get your experience on some of these top brands by going into their boutiques to shop for like just a perfume, maybe some skincare items, you know, lip products, different things. And then that way you get your hands on the products. You get the same exact packaging as you would if you bought a Chanel bag from the Chanel store, and you also get that experience. So anyways, I highly recommend that for you dolls. Try. But today, like I said, mostly what I got is skincare. So anyways, I can't remember everything that I got, so I'm just gonna take all of the bags out, the boxes out, and look at the beautiful packaging on these Chanels that I picked up. It's got a really hot pink and orange, bright ribbon packaging, and then the packaging is amazing. So I've got this box here. She also gave me this box here, which was a little added, you know, an added gift, I'll say. And I actually went in store to Macy's dolls and shopped at the Chanel boutique there. The grand total was $311, which is not terrible. I spend that easily at Sephora on any given day. And I picked up 4 items is what I got. And it came out to the $311. The other bag has one giant box in it. Looks like this. So gorgeous. I absolutely love the packaging from Chanel. Always so tea and so pretty. So girly, so feminine, and that's why I wanted to wear my Zara top today, because I thought it went perfect. I'm looking like a Chanel gift here. So anyways, that is what I'm wearing today. Chanel top, if you dolls can see that, this gorgeous Chanel top. And yes, absolutely loving it. So let's just get into the unboxing. I think that I will do the bigger box first versus waiting and saving the big box for last. So I'm just gonna slide the bow off just so that, because I'm not good with retying bows. So in case I wanted to use the box again, like for a gift or to store some things, then I will have that. So the box looks like this, and I'm going into the detail because not everyone has shopped at Chanel or picked up items. So I wanted to just show how it is. Okay, and then the box itself is just a slide off lid like that. And then inside on this one is a gift receipt that fell out, and then all of these, the skincare that I actually picked up. Okay, inside the box, we got a bunch of little samples that she gave me. This is the Micro Cream Hydra Beauty. I got the Lamousse, like that. So stinking cute. These are also great for travel, so I may save these for travel just to have, and I won't have to travel with my larger products, which is really, really nice. And I did want to try out the skincare. So in this box, I have the Lamousse and the La Gommage. Gommage. And this one is the Lamousse is an anti-pollution cleansing cream to foam. It's for all skin types. It is anti-pollution, which this is a cream to foam depolluting blue microalgae marine siliconia extract. So this one is going to have a really nice foam, is my understanding. Absolutely love the packaging. Of course, signature Chanel packaging. If you guys can see that, okay. Excited to try that out. I also picked up the gel exfoliant because I wanted to do like the full steps, like an exfoliant, a cleanser, and then the moisturizer. So that's what I picked up. So this one is the pink bottle there, and this is the gel exfoliant. It's an exfoliating gel. And this one is both, it has jojoba beads, mineral rich seawater. So I'm just looking forward to trying these out. The pricing was not bad, dolls. Let me tell you how much each one was. It was 58, one was 60, one was 70, and one was 100. So I'm not sure which was which, but those were the pricing. So far, this is how we're looking. And that was all that was in this box. So then on the smaller box, with the signature Chanel flower, or slide off the ribbon again, because I am not good at tying ribbons, so just so that we have that there. So stinking cute, so pretty, so classy. And let's take the top off of this one. Ooh, so I did get, okay, I forgot I got this, guys. I got the gift set. There was a gift set. And this one was the Hydra Beauty, the Micro Cream, the Illuminating Hydrating, the Eye Cream, and I got the Replenishing Hydration for the full face. So I forgot that I got that set. So this is going to be good. So I'm getting a complete skincare. I have an exfoliator, a cleanser, and then I got the under eye cream and then the face cream, the Hydra, out of the Hydra Beauty line. So that's what that looks like, and I am going to open these up so that you can see how the jars look, just so you can see. And voila, absolutely cannot wait to try this, you guys. This is so freaking fantastic. These micro beads was what I was thinking was going to be so nice. I love the packaging, of course, the signature Chanel packaging. I'm so excited. And the larger one, of course, is going to be the same. Perfect. All right. This one has a little insert here as far as the, I guess, the ingredients, how to use it. I'm assuming. Oop. Okay, and then when it's got like a little spatula for application, which I absolutely love. And this is how it looks. And like I said, this is the Hydra Beauty. This is the Fortifying Replenishing Hydration. So this is just the moisturizer with a little spatula there. So we got a good little haul, you guys. We have a nice little haul so far. So this is mainly what I purchased. I say that to tell you that this is what we normally would spend at Sephora, like on, you know, a foundation, a makeup brush, some powder, you know, different things. And you can go in and you can get you some Chanel skincare. So that is so nice. And let me open up the 2 items that she gifted me with besides the little travel size items. But this says Chanel Parfum on it. So hopefully that's the same experience that you have whenever you go into Chanel, for sure. Look at that. Okay, so that is that in there. And then also, this is also what I got, girl. And gonna open it up. It is a little makeup pouch, super cute. I think this will be great for travel. And, you know, just for putting some of the skincare items in, or, you know, whatever you want to store in here. Super cute. So, yeah, I mean, technically you could put it in here. I most likely am planning to put my, yeah, this wouldn't fit everything. It could. Or you could put, like, your travel stuff in here. Whatever the case may be. Let's see. Okay, so this is a really nice little makeup case, traveling case. I'm planning to use my niece makeup bag from Louis Vuitton to carry my skincare in, or to house my skincare. So I'm planning to put my skincare in here and put it on my counter in my bathroom, or else I need to clean this out. It's so dirty because I've been using it for makeup. And if you're a deeper skin girl, then you know that the struggle is real when it comes to your makeup and just not getting it everywhere. So I need to clean this out, but absolutely love that, this for that, and just putting, you know, all of my little skincare and stuff in here once it's cleaned out. I hate to show my bag with it being so dirty like this. I should have wiped it out, I guess. But, you know, it is what it is. But I could definitely see myself traveling with this, or, you know, putting a few more items in here and having all my skincare in here, and just filling her up, maybe putting some of the travel size little doodads. But it really is essentially the same thing, but just housing it all in here as such. But yes, absolutely love that. And I'm can't wait to start using these and let you dolls know what I think of it. But actually, this is a good little carrying case for it. It does fit everything in there. Really nice and neat. So I'll probably put this out in my bathroom so that I can start using it in the evenings and just seeing what the Chanel skincare is giving, dolls. Okay. Anyways, dolls, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this Chanel skincare haul, and that this video encouraged you to pick up some skincare from Chanel, or just one of the designers that you have been excited to try but maybe unsure of purchasing. You could absolutely do this at your local department store. You could also do this at a boutique. If you wanted to go in and shop for, let's say, a Dior perfume, you could go to the Dior store, the Dior boutique, and pick out your perfume there and really have an experience with champagne and all of the vibes while you're in there. This top is so fantastic, and it is from Zara. I'm absolutely glad that I picked this up. I'm wearing my YSL earrings, and yeah, I'm so excited to film this for you, dolls. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you, dolls, in the next one. Bye.